Hi, today I'm going to show you a brand new strawberry tower that I've been building out of 5-gallon buckets. So let's get going. Okay, so here it is. Like I said, it's a 5-gallon bucket system, and it has two 5-gallon buckets on the bottom. Each one of them right now, you can see those holes in the front, is holding 3 of my bare root strawberry plants. So those were just planted today, so it's going to take a while for them to grow. Then it has 2 other 5-gallon buckets above it, and those are both going to hold 3 strawberries as well, each one. And on the sides, as you can see, the bottom two on the sides and the bottom right there and there, those I'm going to be planting some things. I haven't decided what yet on either side there. And on the top, I may put some flowers or I may put some more strawberries. Now it's designed, you see that little PVC pipe on the top? All I do is water it from there. The water goes down, and as it goes down, the top 2 buckets, it has holes every few inches apart going all the way around the tube, so it goes all the way down to the right where the pyramid starts, right there. And that waters, I guess you could say, it spreads out the water evenly throughout the buckets with the sand. Now the inside of the buckets on the front is lined with the shade cloth, so that way the water will kind of stay in a little bit better when it's going down. Also, it won't make such a mess with the dirt always coming out every time I water it. And each one of the bucket has shade cloth on the inside. Also, that pipe going down the middle, it's a 2-inch pipe, PVC. You can see where it turns black there towards the top, has shade cloth wrapped around it as well. Let me bring you a little closer so you can see inside. This bucket hasn't been filled yet. I just started putting sand down there, but you can see how I have the shade cloth here in the front. I duct taped that on so it wouldn't come off, and I put holes already with a knife through here so I could put the plants through, pull them right through. This is the pipe here. If you look in there, I don't know if you can see in there, it's kind of dark. But it has little holes going all around every 2 inches in a circular motion going all the way through. Now down there in the floor, there's a hole in the floor, so the pipe, see that, can go right through, and there's a hole in the cover, so it goes all the way down here and stops right there, watering all the way around. Now at the top here, in the bottom, I have 3 holes here and 3 holes on the other side, so when the water drains, it can come out and fill up the bottom buckets and then drain out the bottom. I'm going to have 3 more tomato plants, like I said, right over here on this side. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple system, and it was fun to make, but I wanted to show it to you, see what you thought. And I will be, like I said, filling on this one here. I will be filling up this bucket, hopefully tonight, and putting the strawberries here. And I'm also going to be cutting this down because it's kind of high. It doesn't need to be that tall. And here's what it looks like now that I've actually filled up the top with soil and have some plants in there. I put the strawberry plants on the top, and I noticed this one's actually got a new sprout coming up, and this one, so they're doing pretty good. I put another strawberry on the top right here with some marigolds, because marigolds actually help to keep the squirrels and other rodents away. And on this side, over here, I planted more marigolds, and that's actually a stalk, corn on the cob stalk. And on this side, let's see, I have another corn stalk right there, and that's got parsley. I don't think any of those have started to sprout yet. You could probably see some really small ones down there, so I'm going to have parsley growing around it. So that's the system so far, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it's going to work out as we go along. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my strawberry tower. I call it the 5-gallon tower, but it's actually 20 gallons. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.